Hello students, and what is a pronoun? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of naming words or nouns.
We have learned that we use I for myself when we are talking about ourselves, like I am reading a book, okay? Or you can say I like to eat ice cream. Next, where do we use you? We use you for second person, like you are a good boy. You are watching this video. Next, he. We use he for a boy or for a man, like he likes to play cricket. He is a good boy. Next, she. She is used for a girl or for a woman, like she is my class teacher. She is my mother. Next, we. We use we for when we include others and ourselves also, means others and myself, like we will study together. We all are Indians. Next, it. Next, it. We use it for an animal or a thing or any place. Just we don't use it for humans. Okay, like it is a pet animal or it is a big city. Next, they. We use they for many people or many things, like they are dancing in rain, or peacocks are dancing in rain. They are looking very beautiful. Today we are going to learn the use of new pronoun words like me. The first word is me. Where do we use me? Me we use for myself. It's just similar to I, like we use I also for myself. Similarly, we use me for myself, like mother loves me. Show me your work. Understand? Now, us. We use us for others and myself. Yes, it is similar to we. The rule is same, but the use in sentence is different. For example, please play with us. We don't say please play with we. Okay? Please play with us. Take us to the park. We can't say take we to the park. No. We say take us to the park. Okay? The rules are same, but the use in sentence is different, and I will tell you why. Next, him. I will share lunch with him. Him we use for a boy or for a man, like we use he. Okay? Give him a candy. Alright? Her. We use her for a girl or for a woman. Yes, just we use she. Okay, the rule is same, but again the use in sentence is different, like she completes her work on time. Now we cannot exchange the place of her with she. We cannot say her completes she work. Okay, that will be wrong. So she completes her work on time. Sonu is talking to her. Clear? Next, it. As we have also discussed before, that we use it for animal, for a thing, or for any object, any place, but we don't use it for humans. Okay? Like, it is a big city. It is a wild animal. I have an extra pencil. Please take it. Okay? Next, them. We use them for many people. Like, it is also similar to they. Okay, the rule is similar and the use is different. Like, I have two friends. I play with them. Okay. Next, your papers are lying on the floor. Pick them up. So here them is used for papers. Okay, and papers are plural, they are many numbers, so that's why here we have used them in place of repeating paper word again. Similarly, in the first sentence, I have two friends, I play with them. So here in the second one, them is used in place of friend word. Okay, as it is written friends, s means plural, so that is why we have used them. Clear? Now we will find out that how the words which we have learned, like me, us, them, her, are different from the use of those words which we have learned earlier, like I, we, she, he. If the rules are same, then why they are differently used in sentence? Let's find out. So now let us quickly revise what we have learned till now. If the two words are having same rule, why the use is different? Use of I. I live in a big city. I like ice cream. Okay, so I is used for myself. Use of me. Please help me. Give me a book. Okay, now see, with the use of I, we can begin a sentence. I live in a big city. I like ice cream. But me is used either at the last or in the middle of a sentence. Like, please help me, give me a book. You cannot replace their use. Like, we cannot use me in place of I. It will be wrong. Like, me live in a big city, it is wrong. We cannot replace me with I, and similarly we cannot replace I with me. Like, we cannot say na, please help I or give I a book. No. Okay, now next, use of you. We can use you in two cases, either with a single person or for more than one person. Like, you are watching this video. Now, those who are watching this video can be a single person, it can be watched by a single person, or it can be watched by many people. So that is, so in the both case we will use you. Okay, Dev and I study together. You can find us in the library. Now here we can use you for many people. Next, use of he and use of him. Both are used for a boy or for a man, but how we can use them? He plays tennis. He is a strong man. So in both the sentence we can begin the sentence with he. Okay, but in case of use of him, sports teacher is present today. I saw him on the ground. Here him is used for sports teacher. Okay, and here we cannot say like I saw he on the ground. That will be wrong. Okay, I saw him on the ground. So him is used in the middle or at the end of any sentence. But we can use he. We use he in the beginning of any sentence. Now, same in the case of use of he, she. Same in the case of use of she. She sent book for me. She is reading a story. As you know that she is used for a girl or for a woman, and her is also used for a girl or a woman. But here it is the same case that she, with the help of she, we can begin a sentence. She comes in the first. Okay, but her can be used in the middle or at the end of the sentence, like Rita is my friend, I play chess with her. We cannot say I play chess with she. No. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Next, use of it. It can be used for any animal, for anything, or for any place except humans. Okay, we don't use it for humans. See the sentence. New Delhi is the capital of India. It is a big city. So here it is used for New Delhi. Okay, and New Delhi is a city. It is a big city. Second, I have a car. It is red in color. So it is used for what? For car. Okay. So as you can see that it we can use for place or for a thing. In next sentence, I have a new game. I bought it yesterday. So here it is used for new game. Understood? Now use of we. We have a nice car. I told you that we can use we for when we want to talk about others including ourselves. We have a nice car. So here we can be used for any family or for any community. Okay. We are studying English. We are studying English. But in the case of use of us, the rule is same. But what is the difference? Teacher is teaching us. Teacher is teaching us. We cannot say teacher is teaching we. Okay, because the meanings are different. Of we and us, meanings are different. Okay, teacher is teaching us. We are two brothers. We are two brothers. Mother loves both of us. We cannot say na mother loves both of we. No. Okay. So again we can begin any sentence with the use of we, but we end any sentence or we can make the use of us in the middle or at the end of the sentence. Okay. Next, use of they and use of them also we will study. See, they and them both used for many people. Like, children were very happy. Their mother baked a cake for them. They liked it very much. Children were very happy. Here children is a plural word. Their mother baked a cake for them. Them is used for children. Okay. They liked it very much. Who liked it? Children liked it. Understood? Story books are very interesting. I like to read them. So here them is used for story books. So you have understood that in the beginning of the sentence we can use they, and in the middle or the end we use them. That's all about both type of pronoun words. So we have learned that certain pronoun words are used in the beginning of the sentence and some of the pronoun words are used either in the middle or at the end of the sentence. The rule is similar, but the meaning and the usage in the sentence is different. Clear? Thank you.